A digital assistant for assembly operators resulting in a 10% increase in effectiveness. Digital work instructions offer a valuable tool for training and supporting operators in the assembly processes. Instructions are often push-based, guiding the operator through each step. Yet, this isn't always necessary or even desired by the operator. In many cases, a digital assistant ready to provide support on demand offers a more relevant alternative. Our digital assistant consists of three main elements. A state estimator tracks the operator's progress to provide context. A reasoning engine then uses this context to pull relevant information from a knowledge graph ready to provide to the operator if required. And finally, an interface displays the information on a mounted screen or even a mobile device the operator can view as needed. Our tests have shown the system increases operator efficiency by around 10%.